We do know that life on our planet starts as a quantum process. Photosynthesis is the foundation for all life on Earth. It's the process by which plants, algae, and some bacteria convert sunlight into chemical energy. This chemical energy forms the base of food chains, which organisms feeding on plants and other organisms feeding on those and so on. So, plants eat up photons and they go through a process. They actually embody a process called photosynthesis, which is totally quantum. Anybody would agree. And then they convert it into chemical food chains, and animals eat animals and other plants, etc. So ultimately, quantum mechanics is the basics, or quantum processes are the basis of all life. Recent research has revealed that photosynthesis relies on phenomena like quantum coherence. This allows energy absorbed from sunlight to explore multiple paths simultaneously within the plant's cellular machinery, finding the most efficient route to the reaction center where chemical energy conversion happens. Also, quantum tunneling happens. This enables energy to move across barriers that would be insurmountable in classical physics. This boosts efficiency. Quantum processes are very efficient. So, photosynthesis is essential for life on Earth. Photosynthesis crucially depends on quantum effects. Since life depends on a process that is fundamentally quantum mechanical, it's reasonable to say that all life is due to quantum phenomena. Okay, so if all life is due to quantum phenomena, then all biological organisms are an expression of those quantum phenomena. Of course, we experience them differently. Those are modes of experience, whether we see a quantum phenomenon or whether we see a classical body. Those are two different modes of experience using different modes of knowing, including the extensions of those modes of knowing, instruments, and so on. Bottom line, life is quantum. Your physical body is quantum. Every object is quantum. The mind is quantum. I've dealt with that in other places. And the universe is quantum, notwithstanding we haven't yet figured out how to unify. The quantum fields are already unified as with electromagnetic fields, strong, weak interactions are unified. Electromagnetism is unified, but we can't right now unify gravity. And maybe that's just the same phenomenon experienced differently. So, we experience things differently. The cosmic mind, or the cosmic non-local mind, is modifying itself into, as we said, innumerable modes of knowing and experience that appear different but are fundamentally the same. They appear different but are fundamentally the same. So reality appears differently. In fact, in infinite modes of appearance and experience, and yet it is one. The infinite many are the one mind. Look around you. It's all the one mind, appearing as this, appearing as this, appearing as this, and all this. One being with innumerable disguises. That is the divine. I don't know why I find this so thrilling to share, even though you might think it's just nonsense. Nonsense, yeah, it's nonsensical. It cannot be understood through the senses.